In this video, I will give you instructions on how to get rid of the browser hijacker called allsearchsite.com. It's a hijacker because it changes certain important browser settings. Mainly, it changes the default search engine. So, whenever you start submitting some search queries, you may notice that the results are delivered by some other search engine. In fact, allsearchsite.com becomes your default search engine. And the problem is that this particular hijacker is often integrated with some free applications, and people may decide to install some free software. However, the installer may be integrated by default with all search site browser hijacker. So it gets installed without the customer's intention. That is why it is correctly classified as a potentially unwanted program that should be completely removed from your system. Also, the majority of such browser hijackers may spy on the customer's browsing activities, collect personal details, and perform some other spying features. So we recommend you not to tolerate it. If you have noticed such unwanted alterations into the way your browser operates, you need to remove this all search site and other third-party browser extensions. Go to the menu, click on More Tools, choose Extensions. Then you need to disable and delete any third-party extensions that you may find here. Finally, after all the unfamiliar extensions are successfully removed, be sure to scan your computer additionally with Combo Cleaner. This is the antivirus that will help you to detect other threats possibly hidden in your computer. So go to the page combocleaner.com, download the software, then start researching your system with this program to be convinced that it is free of any other hidden threats. After the antivirus database is successfully updated, click on Start Combo Scan and begin the research of your computer. So this is the end of scanning by Combo Cleaner Antivirus, and at the end of scan you can see the full summary of all threads that were found on your Mac computer during the scan. You may go to the antivirus section and click on Review Results. This shows you the full number of threads, but when you click on Review Results you can see the names of these threads and their detection by the majority of security programs. And what's more important is that you may get the exact location of each specific thread. So you may go to this location of thread on your Mac computer and get rid of this thread one at a time, or you may consider upgrading to the premium version of Combo Cleaner in order to get your Mac fully protected against all further possible threats, adware, browser hijackers, and other sorts of malware from attacking your Mac computer.